This is a huge deal for Northern Ireland. We're tiny. We have all the European countries over. We've got 10 countries representing between vintage and reversible conventional ploughing. We only get this opportunity maybe only every 10 years. Because of COVID, we missed out 2 years, but this is a massive opportunity for us to promote our wee country. We need to have the younger people, all these guys that have so many skills. It's the young guys that are going to be taking it up in the years to come.